In this session, we will talk about the action of a thin lens. Consider a thin lens here. The focal distance of this lens is f. Assume that a plane wave passing through this lens. Before the lens, the amplitude of the plane wave can be expressed as u. After passing through the thin lens, the amplitude becomes u prime. And we assume that the lens is very thin and lossless. So we can say that the difference between u prime and u is only the phase delay. Due to the lens is very thin and lossless, the amplitude will not be changed, but it will have phase difference. What will be the phase difference between u prime and u? And later is what will be the phase delay in the u prime compared to u? We define the phase delay on the u prime as the phi function, which is in terms of x and y. The phase delay along u prime with respect to u is phi function. Phi function can be written as phi 0 minus k over 2f times s squared plus y squared. Here, the phi 0 means the phase delay in the center. So clearly you can see that compared to the center point, the points away from the center point have smaller phase delay, right? So the phase delay will be phi 0 minus this term. And the longer distance between the points with the center point, the smaller phase delay you will have. So this term can tell us the phase delay along the u prime. As a result, we can say that if you consider a wave passing through a thin lens, the amplitude u prime can be written as the original amplitude times the contribution of the phase delay. It can be written as exponential j k over 2f times s squared plus y squared. And this is the function, the action of a thin lens. So we can write it as u of xy times L of xy, where L here is this exponential term, which is the phase delay contributed to the thin lens. And clearly you can see that this phase delay term will make a curved phase front. So after a plane wave passing through a thin lens, it will form a curved phase front. Then this wave will focus to the focal point shown here. and the focal point has a distance f with respect to the scene length.